Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Whoops! Excuse me.
That was a big burp, Blippi.
I wonder, why do people burp?
Oh, I can tell you, but it's more fun to show you. Off to the nearest mouth.
All right, I'm gonna need frog legs.
Frog legs confirmed.
Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Open wide! Whee! This is perfect! He's chewing way too fast! Look at all the air he's swallowing!
Whoa! Well, that was fun. D.Bo, you can open your eyes now. I think it's over.
Here we go again!
Yeah! Whoa! I'm gonna need monkey arms.
Monkey arm confirmed.
Whoa! 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 What's that?
It's called the esophagus. We all have them. It's a long tube that connects the throat to the stomach.
Woo! Esophagus. That's a fun word. E-soph-a-gus. Whoa! He's coughing up a storm.
Oh, yeah! These are ideal conditions for a big old burp. Boobs away!
Oh, no!
Hang on to your seats, everybody!
Whoa! So cool!
Careful! The bubble's delicate and can explode at any moment. Just kidding! Cannonball!
Whee! Oh, yeah!
The bubble is all the extra air that this guy swallowed. It's like a trampoline.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, too much bouncing. It's gonna blow!
Whoa! The air bubble is rising up the esophagus and toward the mouth. Whoa!
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah! Experiment complete.
That was so fun! And I got the answer to my question. Why do people burp? People burp when they swallow too much air and it builds up inside the esophagus. The body gets rid of the air by burping. Upload answer, D.Bo.
I think it's time to dance. Boom, cha-cha, boom, cha-cha, boom.
Let's boom cha-cha with Boom.
Boom, cha-cha, boom, cha-cha, boom.